Welcome to Stories.Inpire. The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. In this video I will be sharing an inspirational story, the journey of Colonel Harland Sanders from failure to founding KFC. In the early 1950s, a man named Colonel Harland Sanders found himself facing a series of failures. He had been running a small motel in Kentucky when a new interstate highway was built nearby, diverting the majority of his customers and leaving him on the brink of financial ruin. At the age of 65, with nothing but a social security check to his name, he decided to take a chance on his passion, cooking. Colonel Sanders had a secret fried chicken recipe that he believed was extraordinary. Despite his age and the odds stacked against him, he embarked on a journey to convince restaurant owners to feature his fried chicken. He traveled across the United States, facing rejection after rejection. He often slept in his car, unsure of where his next meal would come from. His determination and belief in his recipe never wavered. He tweaked his recipe, refining it until it became a mouth-watering delight. After more than 1,000 rejections, a restaurant owner finally agreed to try his chicken. The response was overwhelmingly positive, and Colonel Sanders' Kentucky Fried Chicken (KFC) franchise was born. In his later years, Colonel Sanders became an icon of persistence and entrepreneurial spirit. He turned KFC into an international phenomenon, with his face becoming synonymous with finger-licking good fried chicken. His story reminds us that success doesn't come easily. It requires unwavering determination, resilience in the face of failure, and a willingness to embrace change even when things seem impossible. Colonel Sanders' journey from a struggling motel owner to the founder of a globally recognized fast food empire is a testament to the power of never giving up on your dreams, regardless of age or circumstances. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.